Fucking hell.
Yo!
What the truck?
Where's it gone?
What the truck? I'm terrible at... What the truck? Stupid stop sign. Stupid stop sign. Bro, a way to ruin it. Ruining the video. He almost just hit that van. Bro, focus. I saw the bug stuck inside the cobweb of that stop sign. Better than those planes. Stupid stop sign.
That stop sign. No. That push needs to stop pushing. Oh my god. And behind the stop sign. This stop sign is pissing me off.
Stupid stop sign. That stop sign should stop living. Where is it? Oh, Jesus. Focusing on the typhoon too much. I'm gonna get past the sign. Now there's a new sign in the way. Bloody truck.